Yoi! Today I've got a fun and honestly very educational 3D printing fail to share with you guys. I just learned firsthand why using PLA for outdoor printing is not, well, the best idea. So, a few days ago I posted a short. I made a sun blocker for my laptop. If you haven't seen it yet, here it is. This is what it looks like now. It melted. It was even worse than what it looks, because I tried to fix it, because I needed it. But yeah, it worked perfectly for about half an hour or so, and then I literally watched the PLA start dropping like cheese into my screen. I knew PLA wasn't recommended for outdoor use, sure, I knew that. Yeah, but I never expected it to fail like this fast. I had to share this with you because it surprised me more than I'd like to admit. Also now I'm curious. I'm going to test a thicker PLA print outside to see how long it lasts, and I'll also reprint this sunscreen protector in PETG to compare the two. I'm hoping that PETG lasts longer, but let's see which one survives the sun. Stay tuned for that and click that subscribe button if you like this one. Thanks for watching.